This majestic beach view draws sightseers to Discovery Park, but it's that very water which may change the view for good.
It may be irreversible at this point.
Ian Jochen studies glaciers at the University of Washington. His latest research combines satellite imagery with numerical models, calculating possible rates at which the West Antarctic ice sheet could collapse.
Some glaciers sped up by 50, 60, 70%.
Jochen says the issue is increased water temperature.
So if you take all this ice and dump it into the ocean.
For example, we have a half cup of water and one ice cube. When we put the ice cube in the water, it raises to 2/3 of a cup. The question is, how many ice cubes and how fast will the process occur?
If you think of a big pile of sand, if you start shoveling part of it away, the sides are all going to collapse in on you.
Jochen estimates it could take 200 or 1,000 years on the upper limit.
3.3 meters, which is 11, 12 feet.
But at Discovery Park, flooding requires much less. Here, people could see changes with as little as 1 foot in the rise in sea level. Changes would be even more dramatic at 2 feet in rise of sea level. And you two think you have it bad, but at 3 feet, Discovery Park is slated to flood. And worst case scenario, all the way up to 15 feet, other parts of Seattle then start to sink. This map shows the risk. Red zones would flood first, like the Wheel and the Aquarium. Next, at 6 feet of sea level increase, Alki and parts of West Seattle. With 9 to 12 feet, flooding would hit Pike Place Market along with Safeco and CenturyLink Fields. And then at 15 feet, much of downtown Seattle.
I don't think people at this point should panic and sell their beach house.
But Jochen does think people should take his research seriously, even if it could take centuries for the waters to rise.
Is it up to us to say that's their problem, let them deal with it, or do we try and slow the rate down?